In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Salesforce Developer account. First, open your browser and go to login.salesforce.com. On the login page, look below and click Not a Customer, Try for Free. After that, you will be taken to the Sign Up page. Enter the required details such as your first name, last name, job title, email, phone number, number of employees, company name, and country or region. Once done, check the agreement box, then click Start My Free Trial. Wait for a moment, and you will see a message saying your 30 days trial is on its way to your email. Go to your email inbox and find the message from Salesforce. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Open the email, then click Verify Account. Next, click Reset Password, enter your new password, confirm it, then choose a security question and provide an answer. Click Next. After that, you will go through a few onboarding questions. Just select your answers and click Next, then click Submit. Once completed, you will be redirected to the Salesforce homepage where you can start using your account. And that's it. That's how you sign up for a Salesforce Developer account.